In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a promo code in Roblox. Let's dive right in and make sure you can take full advantage of those special offers. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you use regularly. Now, in the search bar, type in Roblox and hit enter. This step is crucial because it ensures you're starting from the official Roblox website, keeping your account safe and secure. Once the search results appear, look for the correct link to Roblox. It's usually the first or second result. The official site will have a URL that ends with roblox.com. Click on this link to proceed. This ensures you're on the right platform, avoiding any potential scams. Now that you're on the Roblox homepage, it's time to log in. Locate the login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your username and password. Make sure you double-check your login details to avoid any frustration later on. After logging in successfully, scroll to the bottom left of the page. You need to find and click on the Buy Gift Card option. This step is vital because it leads you directly to the section where you can redeem your promo code. Navigating through this path ensures everything is done within the Roblox system. Once you're on the gift card page, look for the Redeem Card button. It's usually prominently displayed, so it should be easy to find. Click on it, and this will take you to the page where you can enter your promo code. This is the gateway to unlocking your rewards, so it's a step you don't want to miss. Now, type your promo code into the designated field. Be sure to enter it exactly as it appears, with no extra spaces or errors. This is important because even a small typo could prevent the code from working. Next, take a moment to review the terms and conditions. It's important to understand these to ensure you meet any specific requirements tied to the promo code. Once you're confident everything is correct, click on the Redeem button. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message appear. This means your promo code has been successfully redeemed and any associated benefits are now available in your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've redeemed a promo code in Roblox, unlocking any associated rewards or benefits. Redeeming promo codes is a fantastic way to get extra content or perks within Roblox, so keep an eye out for any new codes that might come your way. Remember, each step in this process is designed to keep you safe and ensure you get the most out of your Roblox experience. By using the official website and following these instructions, you protect your account and maximize your rewards. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and walkthroughs to enhance your gaming adventures. Until next time, happy gaming!